hospital.
Now,
Then
it is nice
bear
to
right.
spot potholes and...
Oh yeah. So then I need to be left or right? I don't know. Sorry. Please go and subscribe.
Yes. Can you make it before him?
Yeah.
Gas, gas,
I
gas.
think so. Gas, gas, gas.
Yes, there's a car coming. Now then, we're going left of the roundabout. First exit, okay? This is the road we should have come up earlier on. We're going left.
Okay,
Yeah, we're going left, follow that white van.
Yeah.
We're going left, okay?
So
1,
left.
2, 3 left. Slow it down for me. Slow it down. So this is not a mock test anymore.
Yeah.
This is almost like a driving lesson, okay? We're going left. Keep left. Look to the right. Can you make it before him?
Yeah.
Gas, gas,
I
gas.
think so. Gas, gas, gas.
Yes, there's a car coming. Now then, you need the right-hand lane. Mirrors,
So,
mirrors,
yeah.
mirrors. Indicator. More mirrors. Make sure
more.
there's nobody there before you move over, yeah?
Yeah.
Stay in this lane. We're going all the way around this roundabout and back this way. Pop your right indicator on for me. Now then,
Okay.
slow it down for me. Look to the right. Nobody there.
Nobody
Let's
there.
go.
So I can enter.
Yeah, we're going. That's it. There's nobody coming from the right, so you can go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. About half a metre to a metre away from that curb on the right.
Yeah, that's
Keep
what
going,
I always.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
That's it.
Yeah.
Left mirror now. Left indicator. Making sure there's nobody in the outside
No,
lane.
yes.
That's it. Well done. Excellent.
Yeah.
If you to check that mirror earlier on, that's it. Keep in the left for me. Go all the way around the roundabout. You need the right-hand lane. I'm not helping you. I'm just watching you. That's it.
But somebody's there. That's why I'm not.
He's
going.
not anymore.
Not anymore.
Keep going. Keep going. That's it.
Yeah.
Keep it. We're
So
going
we
all
are
the way
going-
around. That's it. Keep your indicator on. Slow it down. Look at the shape of the road. Look over there. Look at the shape of the road. That's it. Look over there. And if there's nobody coming, what are you going to do?
I will enter.
That's
the
it. There's nobody there. Go.
Yeah.
All the way around for me. All the way around. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now then, there's 2 lanes here. Okay.
Yeah.
We need to move from this right-hand lane to the left-hand lane. So what are you going to do first? That's
Mirror.
it. Make sure there's nobody there.
Yeah.
Excellent. And away.
Yeah.
Gas. Right, move to the right-hand lane for me, please. There we go. I'm going all the way around the roundabout and back this way, okay? So pop your right indicator back on for me. We're just going to do these 2 roundabouts 5 or 6 times.
Yeah.
Just to get you.
Yeah.
Now then, look at the shape of the road in front of you.
Exactly.
Look to the right. Look at the shape of the road. Look to the right. And make a decision. Make a decision.
Nobody's there,
That's
so
it.
I
Good.
will go.
That's it. Well done.
And I will go round.
That's it,
And
all the way back the same way we came. Now then, there's 2 lanes on this roundabout.
Yeah.
We're on the inside lane. We're about to go to the outside lane.
So,
That's it. Well done. Making 100% sure there's nobody in that
Nobody's
outside
there.
lane. On the gas. Let's go. Right then. Turn right to the next roundabout, please. Right. So we're going right, 3rd exit. Okay.
yeah. So right signal on.
That's it. Up that way.
So,
Look at the shape of that road in front of you. Look at the
Yeah.
shape of it. There we go. Make a decision.
and nobody's there, but before he came, I can go.
He's miles away.
Yeah.
There we go. Keep it going. So we're going from the inside lane to the outside lane now. Left
Yeah.
mirror. That's it. And away up there.
Oh.
Go round again. That's it. You don't like going up there. Go round. No. Okay then. Stay here. Right then. Mirror first. Mirror first. There we go.
Yeah.
And then. Why don't you want to go up that road?
I
It's
don't
twice
know.
now you've missed it.
Yeah. Something happening.
I'm going to
over there.
force you to go up there next, okay?
Okay, okay.
All the way around this roundabout, back that way. 4th exit, okay?
Okay,
Exit
okay.
number 4, this one.
Okay.
Slow it down. Look over there. Look to the right. Look at where you're going. Can you make it? Yes, you can. Let's go.
I think so.
Yeah. Staying on the inside. Now
So
then.
we are-
4th exit. That's 1.
1,
That's 2.
2,
That's
3.
3. So it's the next
and
one,
I
yeah?
will change the
That's
lane
it.
now.
Now then. Let's try again.
Try again.
So, 3rd exit on the next roundabout, please.
Third exit.
3rd exit, okay? We're going
Yeah.
right. Look at the sign. That's it. Well done. Mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. It's just a little blob, okay?
Yeah.
It's signposted as Spittigwynedd. Pop your indicator back on because you're going right. Look at the arrows on the floor. That's it. Start preparing just in case he comes round. Slow it down a little bit. Keep an eye on him. There we go. Now we know. We're going third exit. I'll count them for you.
This
That's
is
one. That's not an exit.
No.
That's an exit. That's
This is
two.
my two.
So we need number 3. That's it. Now then. I swear to God, you better go up there now. There we go. And now I can breathe.
I don't know. It's happened when I'm driving with you,
And we're going left of the roundabout ahead, please.
Left in the
first
roundabout.
exit, yes. So roundabout coming up, we're going left. Keep it
Where is
left,
the
that's it.
left?
It's just there.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Now then, where are you looking? Who are you giving way to?
So
The
right.
Anybody there?
No.
That's it, well done.
100% sure.
Good,
yeah.
good.
That roundabout was nice for me. So now I'm in 20 June.
Yes. We eventually made it off the exit that we wanted.
After a couple of
Got there eventually.
yeah. It was fun enough.
Okay, so we kind of abandoned the mock test. Yeah, because we had no option really, yeah?
Yeah. I know. Because of me. But still you can.
Well, it's not my fault, is it?
No. It was my fault. I missed the exit.
I wish if we had a little bit more time to practice.
Yeah.
But hey ho, there we go. So we're going straight ahead at the roundabout. Look at the signs. Yeah, we're following the signs for Bangor, please.
Oh man.
Don't give way to him. Keep an eye on him. If you slowed down, he would have crossed, yeah? You'd have
Yeah.
taken responsibility for him. Was it a proper crossing he was on?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. No.
Okay.
There was no white lines on the floor. There was no traffic lights. He wasn't on a junction.
So
He looked at you and he stopped, eh? If you'd have stopped, he'd have looked at you and think, oh, okay, fine.
I can go.
Yeah.
Forget it. So mock test gone wrong. I saw so many video like this making this thumbnail that mock test gone wrong. And it's definitely gone wrong today.
Well, as long as we learn from it
Yeah.
and become a better driver, that's why you're supposed to have driving lessons off a professional driving instructor.
Yeah.
Now then, if there was somebody stood there,
Yeah.
it's their priority, yeah?
Because this
it's
is
a
the
proper
proper
crossing.
one. Yeah.
It's a zebra crossing.
Get it.
And there's
And-
another one around the corner. There's another one, okay?
We are going left.
We'll go down the hill, so keep following the road ahead. So those 2 tests we passed earlier, they went down this next hill, okay? So just around the corner, there's another zebra crossing just there. Centre mirror, right mirror, we're turning right. So if there was somebody stood there, what would you do?
I will give them.
Yes, it's their
Over.
priority, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a proper crossing. There we go. Anything coming towards you? No?
No.
Nobody overtaking you?
No.
Good. Pull up on the left down here for me, please. Just pull up on the left. Where that white wall is over there. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Oh no, a little bit on this grass here. That's it. Pulling over. Just stop there. Boom, boom, boom. Handbrake on into neutral for me, please. Move away when ready, please.
But man is coming, but before him I can go. So yes, undue hesitation. And there are some couple minors.
Yeah, there's nothing really. Positioning of the car, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe you're a little bit too far to the left when you should have been to the right.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, wherever you put that car, it's important. Yeah.
Okie dokie.
It's almost like a signal to other people of where you're going. Because if you're in the left, everybody thinks you're going to go left.
Yes.
If you're in the right, everybody thinks you're going to go right.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So positioning is really important.
Mm-hmm.
Judgment, meeting traffic. So there was somebody maybe coming towards you, without actually, witnessing it myself. It's difficult to know what they mean. Yeah. So maybe there was a car coming towards you, and you didn't quite judge the distance or something like that. Yeah.
Okie dokie. Yeah.
So it's just judgment with.
Yeah.
See that Land Rover there, for
Yeah.
instance, or somebody coming up towards us. Now then, at the end of the road, we'll turn left, please.
Yeah.
At the very end. Signals necessary.
Signal
Maybe you should have
unnecessary.
signalled and you didn't, or the other way around. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you signalled and it wasn't necessary. They've got the signals are there to tell people where you're going. Look.
Yeah.
Assess the situation. Look.
I can make it now.
Junctions observation.
Yeah.
Maybe you didn't quite look enough. Maybe you only looked once. Yeah. So
Okay.
at junctions, look. Make sure there's nothing coming. Yeah. Only looking once, and maybe 2 or 3 seconds went by, and you went. Yeah. Look again just before going, just in case some guy comes flying around the corner at the last second. You've got to be able to spot them. Yeah. Junctions approach speed.
Yeah.
Maybe it was too fast. Maybe it was too slow. I don't know.
So maybe I was too fast.
Possibly.
Yeah.
So slow it down on the approach to junctions and
Like now I'm clear. It took me 12, 13, 14.
12
like
over
this.
there. Just before you get to it. 16, 14, 12. That's it. Nice speed. Perfect speed.
So now
That's it.
I can go because
That's it. Looking to the right.
barrier.
That's it. It actually came down to 9 then. And then just to come off. There we go.
So maybe I was like too speedy.
Could
Maybe.
it be? It doesn't say exactly. Maybe it was too slow. Maybe it was too fast. They just don't say.
Mm-hmm.
So what's that ticking noise? There we go. Going straight ahead. There's a mini roundabout. Look for clues. Where are they going? Where are they going? Where are they going?
They didn't have any indication.
Yeah.
So.
But not just indicators. It's position as well. Yeah.
Oh yes.
And
yes,
speed.
yes.
Yeah. 3 things. I like to have 2 things. Yeah. Out of indicator, position, and speed. If I have 2 of them, then I feel more confident.
Position also important. Yeah.
Yes. Now then, we're going to go back towards
Home.
towards Asda roundabout. Okay. So we're going straight ahead of this mini roundabout.
As the roundabout, I did my mistakes. So I would signal for the second left,
That's it.
which I
Look
don't
to the
need
right.
to.
Anybody coming this
Nobody.
way? That's it.
One
Look for
got
clues.
now.
Yeah, but you had time to go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, that's a proper crossing. If that turns red or amber,
I need to stop
Yes.
for sure.
getting prepared. Yeah. So if somebody stood at a crossing, at a traffic light crossing, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they've pressed a button. Yeah. So what can you expect to happen?
It would be like
Yeah.
red.
So yeah. So there's a possibility, yeah, that you have to come to a stop. So you're
Yes.
getting ready to come to a stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
If there's nobody there, there's
So-
there's still a small chance it could change.
See that's happened. That's the thing happened with me. Now I start noticing this thing, but maybe I wasn't that much.
As long as you learn and move on.
Yeah.
Once you're around the corner, I'd like you to move into the right-hand lane for me, please. What are you going to do before moving from one lane to the next?
Mirror.
That's it.
Then
Make sure it's
signal.
safe. Yeah. Don't you
Yeah.
dare go yet. Now you can go.
I can go.
Keep in the left for now. Look up the hill. A little bit of gas. That's it.
And then I will be
Quick
in
glance in the right mirror.
more
Move over to the
right.
right-hand lane. Make sure there's nobody there. There we go. Staying in the right-hand lane. Behind that, don't know what colour that car is. Like a greeny colour.
Yeah, kind of.
It's nice that actually. What is it? Oh, it's a Peugeot. 308. Nice car. Just keep your foot on the brake. Just keep your foot on the brake, that's it. And there we go.
Now I can go.
That's it. Now then, we need to move over to the left-hand lane. So
Yeah.
stay in the right-hand lane for now. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left for me. Look in the mirror, look in the mirror, look in the mirror, look in the mirror. That's it. Only go if it's safe to go. Cancel that indicator because we're not going in there. Now then,
Yeah.
as the roundabout, we are going to go straight ahead of the roundabout, okay? See the roundabout, the sign towards the P, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going